All right, good afternoon, boys and girls. We're on lesson 114 using formulas. So here's our objective today is to use formulas to solve perimeter, area, and volume. We're also going to use the appropriate formula to solve a problem. And we're also going to choose the appropriate unit of measure for a given situation. There's no vocab today, but go ahead and write down the name of your parents. Here's your joke of the day. What is the teacher's favorite kind of music? And it's classical. Here's a new concept. Formulas describe processes for solving certain types of problems. Formulas often use letters and other symbols to show the relationship between various measures. And I know this is all, it's really just about formulas, okay? This is a big thing. A formula is basically something that you use to solve different types of problems, okay? And here's the first example. The Jacksons have added a dining room to a corner of their house. Mr. Jackson purchased crown molding that will be installed in the intersection of walls and ceilings. Crown molding costs $5 per foot to install. What will the Jacksons cost for the crown molding? And so what we're going to do is the crown molding is the stuff on the top of the walls. All right. So we just need the outside part of the wall. So how do I figure out what the outside of the wall is? Well, we use a formula for that, which is the perimeter. Okay, the perimeter formula is 2 length and 2 width, and just add them together. So the 2 lengths are 15 and 12. All right, so if you put 2 times 12 plus 2 times 15, which would be 24 plus 30, and what you'd get is 54 feet. Okay, and it's not square feet because we're not doing the whole we're not doing area. We're just doing feet. All right, so example number 2. Now we're going to try to get carpet for this room, okay? Well, how do we find the area to buy carpet? We're going to do the formula area equals length times width, okay? So length times width is 15 times 12, which equals 180 square feet. Remember, with area, you do square. And what you do is 15 times feet times feet equals feet squared, all right? So that's 180 square feet. Sorry for all these texts. I'm sorry that they keep popping up. Anyhow, we're on example number 3. Now, they want to figure out how many additional cubic feet of air need to be heated or cooled. So, in order to do that, we need to find how much air we could fit in here, or the volume of this. Okay, and so remember the volume is length times width times height. We're going to use the volume formula, which is 15 times 12 times 10, which equals 180 cubic feet. Remember, we do volume in cubic feet because we times feet times feet times feet, which makes cubic feet. All right. And then example number 4, there's a couple things here. So there's a trunk here in the room, and we need to figure out the liner. All right, so if we're going to do a liner for the trunk, just the bottom of the trunk, what are we trying to find? In this case, we're trying to find area, okay? And so we do length times width, which is 36 times 30, and that's how you equal area. That's what we have here. And then B says we want to do a border around the entire trunk. Well, the border basically is around the trunk, which is perimeter. Remember, perimeter is 2 length times 2 width, which we do 2 times 36 and 2 times 30, and then we add it together, and you have 132 inches for your perimeter. Okay. So a couple different things to remember. Your perimeter is 2 length plus 2 width. Your area is length times width, and your volume is length times width times height. And you have to remember how to answer it. If it's just perimeter, it's just the plain feet or inches, whatever measurement it is. If it's area, it's square. If it's volume, it's cubed. All right. So you're going to use these designs to figure out A, B, and C. If you have any questions, write those questions on the back, and we will see you in the morning. All right. Good luck on this, and I'll talk to you in the morning. Have a great day.